You were the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Guess I should keep my hands down. I'll be in the Here we go.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and it went nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening deep. Discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen.